Hi, it's Matt here from Go Green Autos. So this video is a very specific one, but it may well help someone, so that's why I thought I'll record this. So this one is just about fitting new wiper blades on the Tesla Model S here. So let's just jump in and I'll show you why I'm doing this, well, making this video, because it's not about fitting wiper blades as such. It's just about fitting flusher wiper blades that you don't end up with the wiper arms visible. Well, the end of the wiper arms are visible at the top of the dash there, and I'm hoping by fitting some different wiper blades, those wiper arms will drop lower to the screen and therefore won't be quite so visible. So the first thing I need to do is to put it into a wiper service mode, which then puts the wiper blades up there. Wiper blades are actually new anyway, but they are Hainer ones. Excellent wiper blades, but they're a generic fit one, so you use an adapter to fit the ends of the arms, and consequently, if you look at that one there, I think possibly they end up sitting, the arms sit a little bit high because this gap is possibly increased. So I've now bought these Valeo ones, and that's the model you need for the Model S. That's, sorry, the kit you need for the Model S, which is a 27-inch wiper and a 17-inch wiper, and these have got the correct end for the wiper arms, so there's no adapters needed. You can also get Bosch wipers, of course, which a lot of people fit, and they look very similar, but I was in a Tesla the other day that had one Bosch wiper on and one non-branded wiper, and the Bosch wiper certainly, this gap here was much larger on it. So I wasn't that impressed with those either. It didn't seem much different to this. So that's why I went with these. A little bit harder to get hold of, but hopefully they will improve this situation a little bit. So just unpack these. You get the branding at the end, which I'm not sure I really wanted, but anyway. They're also wrapped in a plastic tray, what do you call that? But yeah, certainly they seem quite flush. So anyway, let's get them on and see if there's any difference. If you don't know how to change the wipers, all you do on these is just push that button in there, and then you can slide the wiper out the end. It's best to use something plastic. I've just got a plastic trim tool here which will do the job well. Not a good idea really to use a metal screwdriver, just in case you slip, you're going to scratch the paint on your metal arm, or worse still putting a scratch in the glass. But yeah, just push that down, slide it out, and then slide the new one back in. Because the wipers I'm using are sort of multi-fit ones, if I just snap that off, you can see that that clips into the plastic adapter, which is why I think possibly it's adding a little bit of height. Not much, there's not much in it, but that's how these ones work. So then I just remove this plastic adapter in the end. So that's them fitted, and already they do look much lower. So before I park the wipers, my windscreen is very dirty, so I'm just going to spray some water I've got, which has got a little bit of soap in it actually, but I'll spray that across the screen, and that will help remove some of the bugs and stop the dry wiper blades getting ruined when they're still so new. And we'll see if that makes a difference. Right, let's take it out of. Yeah, noticeable difference. I can still see the end of that wiper arm, as you can see, but the camera's in front of my face, so the same sort of eye level as what a driver would see, and you can still see the end of that, but it is much lower to the screen. You can't see the arm, so yeah, it has made a difference. So yeah, I'm happy with that. It's obviously not worth doing if you're not too worried about it. Obviously the operation of the wipers is absolutely no different. It's just a visual thing, and it just bugged me that those wipers stood a little bit proud. Notice another difference. When I use the windscreen washers when the wipers are parked, before the water would spray up the screen, but now when I do that, you see it's hitting the arm in the park position. It doesn't on that one, it goes above the arm, but this one, the wipers are now hitting the wiper arm, the water is hitting the wiper arm and not going on the screen, and that wasn't the case before. So very clearly the driver's side wiper arm here is now in a completely different place, different angle. So I've now got to adjust the washers, because that's no good there. You want those water jets going above the wiper arm and getting on the screen before the wiper swipes. So I'm going to get on and adjust those water jets, so I'll wrap this video up. If you want those particular wiper blades, I'll put a link in the description below. I actually bought these ones on Amazon. I couldn't find any trade supplier who had those particular ones in stock. That kit is for right-hand drive models. There is another part number for left-hand drive. It just gets the wiper blades round the right way with the little ridge in the right position and the logo on the right side. You'll find many people actually fit left-hand drive wipers on right-hand drive cars and then they're upside down. Renault do to Renault Zoes, for example. But anyway, that's the right kit for UK cars, right-hand drive cars. So as always, if you've found this video useful, please do click the thumbs up on YouTube, because that really does help other people find this video and find the channel. Do subscribe if you haven't done already, and more EV videos coming soon.